Is ICICI Pru Smart Kid Assured Plan the smart choice for your child's future, or just another expensive ULIP wrapped in emotional marketing? So let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few key details about it. This is a unit-linked insurance plan, and one thing to be noted is this plan comes under the ICICI Pru Signature Assured Plan. We have already reviewed that policy in detail in our channel, so if you want to watch it, the link to it can be found in the description below. Some of the key features of the policy are: you don't need to pay any kind of premium allocation charges, and you also get the opportunity to build wealth through market-linked returns, and you have the option for systematic withdrawals to receive regular payouts, and in case of the life assured death, future premiums are waived and the family receives a regular annual income if chosen. And you have the flexibility to invest more through top-up premium, and you are also eligible for tax benefits as per the prevailing tax laws. Now, as we have a basic understanding of the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to calculate the internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to assess its actual performance of the policy, and then compare it with other market linked investment options for a comparative analysis. So this will help us make a more informed decision. Now, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male purchases this policy paying an annual premium of 1 lakh for 10 years. So this policy term is 20 years and the sum assured is 10 lakhs. At the end of the term, the fund value is paid out as the maturity benefit. So based on the standard examples given in the policy brochure, the projected returns are at 4% annual growth. The fund value is 12 lakhs with an IRR of just 1.18% as per the policy's maturity calculator. And at 8% annual growth, the fund value is 24 lakhs with an IRR of 5.72% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So even at the higher return scenario, the IRR struggles to keep pace with inflation. Despite being a market-linked product, the plan's returns are not compelling enough to support long-term goals like your child's education. Moreover, the maturity timeline doesn't align with typical higher education milestone. In short, including this policy in your portfolio may actually set your child's dream off track rather than secure them. Let us now compare the returns from the ICICI policy with other investment options, because for any long-term investment to be truly effective, it must beat inflation. That's why it's important to explore alternatives that offer better returns and flexibility. So here we are going to explore an alternative strategy where instead of investing in an insurance investment policy, we are going to invest in insurance and investment separately. So just to see whether it can perform efficiently in isolation and can give us better returns. So we are going to start with a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose to meet our protection need. For example, a term plan with a 10 lakh sum assured and a 20-year term costs just around 5,700 rupees annually. So you can compare this to the 1 lakh annual premium paid under the Smart Kid Assured Plan, and you're left with an investable surplus of 94,300 rupees each year. So depending on your risk profile, this amount can either be directed to a debt instrument or equity based investment. So here, to give you an example on both scenarios, we have given you examples on combinations of term insurance plus PPF and term insurance plus ELSS. So in ELSS scenario, with consistent annual investment and adjustments post the 10-year term, the maturity value after 20 years is approximately 27.82 lakhs, delivering an IRR of 0.71%. But in ELSS investment with the same investment pattern, the maturity amount is about 57.56 lakhs before tax. So after applying for the long-term capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 51.70 lakhs, translating to an impressive IRR of 10.87%. So if you have any doubts regarding how the ELSS tax is calculated, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your reference to pause and see. So pairing a term insurance plan for protection with smart investments tailored to your risk appetite allows you to achieve higher returns while also ensuring greater liquidity and flexibility. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the ICICI Pru Smart Kid Assure plan worth it or not? This policy allows you to invest in market-linked instruments, while such investments are typically expected to offer returns that justify the risk. Closer examination of this plan shows that high charges of ULIP significantly erode the potential result, and also as a result this plan may fall short in building the corpus needed for your child's future goal. So in an unfortunate event of the policyholder's death, the plan continues through a waiver of future premiums, and an optional annual income is also available. However, a substantial portion of your premium goes toward funding these benefits, and it also has a high agent commission, leaving only a limited amount for actual investment. This structure may not effectively support your child's educational milestones. A more efficient approach would be to opt for a pure term life insurance policy with an adequate sum assured. Term plans are highly cost effective and provide strong financial protection for your family during unforeseen events. So to truly secure your child's future, it is essential to build a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.